What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a review on the ARRMA Granite 4x2 Boost monster truck. I have done the review on both the Senton and the Vortex out of this 4x2 Boost series. If you have not seen both those videos, I'll put the links right up here for you to check that out. The difference between this one and the other two videos I made is those other two videos were Hobby Town's display models, and I actually picked this one up from myself, so I own this one. We're going to be doing another video where we convert it to 4x4, which you can then use to watch as a reference to convert all three of those vehicles yourself. So again, the price is $239.99. Capable speed 30 miles per hour. It says it's achievable in optimum driving conditions with optimal gearing. We're going to use our GPS to figure out what the top speed of this is. In the box it comes with a high-powered 7-cell nickel metal battery and a smart charger. Again, I wouldn't recommend you use this charger. I will show you what I do think you should use. And I also picked up a 50C 5000 milliamp 2S Smart G2 battery so we can run some tests using a LiPo. So let's quickly overview what the vehicle's features are. Adjustable body mounts, mega 12-turn 550 brush motor, strong composite chassis, extended height dirt defenders, steering with stone clearance, adjustable ride height, middle gear differential, double wishbone suspension, impact absorbing bumper, direct mount servo saver, 23 tooth spline, oil-filled shocks with silicone O-rings, and a waterproof Spectrum receiver and ESC. So for this video we're going to be doing an actual unboxing because, as I said before, this is not a display model, this is my own vehicle. So we get to pull off this cool sticky tape and have an official unboxing. So let's first pull out this box here. Comes with your standard 2.4 gigahertz basic ready to run 2-channel remote. Nothing new here. We'll lift this cardboard out and we have our beautiful monster truck here. Look at this orange, guys. There's a blue version as well, but I decided to pick the orange. And we have our bag of tools and more information. Boom! Alright, cool. So before we take the cover off, let's take a look at our manual. 4 batteries for the transmitter, some card. This right here is the smart charger, and our instruction manual. It doesn't come with stickers. I think stickers are kind of sort of a necessity. Not really sure about that, but anyways. So here is the smart charger it comes with. Guys, this is going to take forever to charge a nickel metal battery. Pick up a good charger. I'm going to show you about that in just 1 second. Now before I go ahead and pull off this cool sticky tape, guys, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more content. And if you do have one of these 3 vehicles out of the Boost series, the next video I'm going to be doing is a conversion using the kit that ARRMA sells to make this thing 4-wheel drive. Nice. And here you go, guys. This is the ARRMA Granite 4x2 Boost in orange. Let's open up the hood and see what she looks like underneath. Here it is. We have the nickel metal battery sitting inside the chassis. We have our Spectrum brushed electronics. This is again 2-wheel drive. ARRMA sells a conversion kit that will give you a drive shaft, front axles, and a 4-wheel drive transmission. That will be in the next video. Big monster truck, oversized tires. This chassis looks to be similar to the one in the Vortex, but it also might be very close to the one in the Senton. Here is the chassis comparison for the Senton. The Senton chassis seems to be a little bit longer. And I think that's it for the mumbo jumbo, guys. Before we can go to the park, we have to charge the batteries. So if you've seen the other videos, you know that I'm going to recommend you don't use this charger here and that you pick up something like this. This is a Spectrum S155 smart charger. It will charge nickel metal all the way up to 4S. The best part about G2 smart technology is you don't actually have a balance cable, so all you have to do is just plug in the battery and it starts charging automatically. Let's get this charged up and then we'll head off to the park. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we are at the park. We got the Granite, the Stampede, and the Slash behind me. We're going to do some top speed runs with the nickel metal battery and the LiPo battery on the Granite. Find out the top speed for both batteries. Afterwards, we're going to do some drag races between the Granite and the Stampede, as they are very similar vehicles. And then we'll finish with the classic race with the Slash, because we've done that in all the other videos. If you have not seen those other videos, check them out. They are the other 2 reviews for the other 2 vehicles in the ARRMA Boost 4x2 series. So let's test the top speed of the Granite on a nickel metal battery. We have the Granite right here next to the Stampede. As you can see, they are almost the same exact size. Let's start with the nickel metal battery. So I'm going to zero this GPS out here, attach it to the vehicle. Let me just verify that this is on nickel metal. To switch between nickel metal and LiPo batteries, you just move this jumper right here to the left. So the top speed of the Senton was 22 miles an hour. The top speed of the Vortex was just about the same. I expect the same results from this. I don't think there's going to be much difference. Ooh, so right off the rip, I noticed this thing spins the tires much like the Senton. let's see what the top speed of this is. 21.8. It's the exact same speed as the other two vehicles. No surprise here. The only difference really is these bigger tires. All right, I don't think there's any need to do any more testing on the nickel metal. Let's switch right over to a lipo and see what that one does. So one more time, we're gonna put the lipo in, and to do that, we wanna take this little jumper here and move it one position over, and that will switch the ESC over into lipo mode. GPS is zeroed out. We're ready to go. Oh, definitely power increase with the lipo battery. I think the way this is geared stock, guys, it's not going to do much more than 21. We saw that in the Vortex. The lipo didn't really increase the top speed, and it seems to be the same case here. All right, what do we got? 21.6 is actually slower. Not sure what that's all about. Irrelevant. It's the way it's geared, guys. Once you change out the gearing, as it says in the box, it should do about 30 miles per hour with the brushed motor. All right, now we're gonna do some drag races between this and the Stampede. All right, we got the Granite lined up to the Stampede. Now the Stampede's lighter, it has the wheelie bar, it's got the weight in the back. Another thing about these vehicles, guys, is the motors in all three of the Boost series, they're centered in the middle of the chassis. Whereas with the Stampede, the Rustler, and the Slash, the motors are in the back, which means that you have a little bit more weight, so when you punch those back wheels, you're always going to do wheelies. That's likely why this doesn't wheelie and why this will in this drag race. It'll be interesting to see which one puts the power down first.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so it looks like the first race goes to the Granite. Lining up for race 2. Also, guys, these both are running 50C LiPo batteries. 3, 2, 1, go. It looks like the Granite won that one again. I think for this next race, we're gonna switch. I have a little bit more experience with the Stampede, so I should be able to keep the tires on the ground. Maybe not. Stampede loves to wheelie, so we'll see what happens. And I'm gonna go down here for this one as well. And the Stampede wins that one.
3, 2, 1, go!
We decided not to race the Slash. There's no reason to do it. We already know that the Slash is probably going to beat it. These cars are totally different. So now we're going to do the off-road test. Should be no problem getting up this. So I think that's about it for this review, guys. This right here is the ARRMA Granite 4x2 Boost, two-wheel drive, brushed monster truck. What do I think? Guys, I like this truck a lot. It looks cool, it drives cool. All the vehicles in this 4x2 Boost are actually pretty cool. They are great introductory vehicles. People who are getting into the hobby and don't want to spend a fortune and also don't want a vehicle that's going to be so fast they're going to destroy it on their first run. This is perfect for them. Once you feel comfortable with the vehicle and you want to go to all-wheel drive, you can get the kit, and then you can also pick up the 3S brushless system for it. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please click the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also leave a comment. Let me know which vehicle out of this series is your favorite. Again, if you have not seen the review videos for the other two vehicles in this Boost series, check the links in the description. I'll leave them down there. And I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later.